Hey, what's up guys? It's Randy with Florida Ski Riders, and we've got an awesome product. We've actually had this product for about 4 months, and we've put it through some testing. This is the Got Squirts Rinse, Wash, Flush 6.5 gallons Makita style battery that attaches up here. You've got the charger. You've got a 12-foot cord if you want to plug it into your vehicle and go direct power. You've got an 8-position nozzle, so if you want to rinse, spray, flush, whatever you're doing. And we're going to put this bad boy to use today. Also, let's not forget to mention, 18 feet of quick connect hose that you can quick connect. But we're going to rinse our skis, we're going to flush our skis, and we're going to wash our trailer right now with the Got Squirts 6.5 gallon BPA free kit. Let's go. Alright guys, so we just came off the water, and the beauty of the Got Squirts kit is we can rinse, flush, and wash right here at the boat ramp. Before we even get home, we're going to have all this done so we can get home, park it, and be done. I've got the battery power. I've got 120 PSI. This can also be mounted inside your truck, your trailer, you know, wherever you want to mount it. There's holes on the bottom of the unit here that can be mounted, but we're going to rinse, flush, wash right here at the boat ramp, be done, so when we get home, we don't have nothing to do. Alright guys, so we were able to wash, flush, completely rinse everything down, including the trailer, at the boat ramp before we even get home. We're going to be able to park these bad boys in the garage and be done. Visit GotTheSquirts.com. Good friend of mine, Joe, has been developing this. He's got another version coming, and I can tell you, I mean, we still got water, baby. 6.5 gallons, 12-volt Makita style battery, 120 PSI, and 316 stainless steel. Everything is built super phenomenal. You're not going to experience any rusting. 18-foot hose, portable, battery operated, or you can plug it in. Guys, I really ain't got nothing else to say. GotTheSquirts.com. Let's go.